I made a custom football jersey. I made one jersey, Naptown on the front, and you got number 48, which is my actual football number. 48 is my number. But on the back it says Dick Johnson. My nickname is Dick Johnson. Some individuals refer to me as Dick Johnson. And so here we have Dick Johnson. Actually, like, if I'm being 100% honest with y'all, this is pretty good. Like, this is actually pretty good. I hope y'all can see, like, I'm being genuine. As you can see, like, it's stitched. And really the great thing about this is, and this doesn't look bad. That's not bad. That's actually pretty close. It's pretty good. Like, the fabric quality and stuff, these buttons, like, these are actually pretty nice. I mean, I'll put on my Dick Johnson jersey. Yeah, this fits about how an XL football jersey fits. Yeah, this it's actually kind of nice. Yeah, this, if you just want to get something like this, or you want to put a nickname on the back of a jersey and you're just trying to have fun with it, that's what this is. And they have baseball, hockey, football, soccer, basketball. They have jackets, like Letterman jackets, tracksuits, all that type of stuff. It's not just jerseys. They have other customizable stuff that you can get done. This is actually pretty solid. I'm pleasantly surprised with these jerseys. These are actually pretty nice. So be sure to go check out Fansidea.